how to turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily to defend against viruses and spyware on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we go down and tap on app security. Next, tap on app protection. Now in here, tap on the more button, then tap on app protection settings. At the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on app protection. Then go down and tap on auto scan apps daily. Switch it off or turn it on as you like. Once this is turned on, you can get additional defense against viruses and spyware. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.